Han Solo, A New Hope, one of my personal grail. You won't believe where I found this guy waiting for me. Can't wait to unbox him. Let's go. What's up, guys? Yes, today we're going to unbox one of my personal grail, Han Solo from the New Hope Episode 4, MMS261. There's about 2 local comic store here that are sideshow licensed retailer, and I can't emphasize enough how important it is to have a personal relationship with your local comic store or toy store, especially if they carry the line that you collect. In my case, it's Star Wars, Sideshow, or Hot Toys. And one day I got a phone call from one of the employees that was working there and said, "Hey, we have a Han Solo from the New Hope. Do you want to pick him up, or are you interested?" I'm like, "You got to be kidding me. I'm on my way." I went over and I saw him. He's really there. I couldn't believe my eyes, because I've been looking for one for, I don't know, since I started collecting Hot Toys. He's one of the pieces I wanted to grab. He's definitely one of my favorite character, obviously. So I got him. So, you know, it's really important to keep those connections with your local comic store, and because, you know, they will definitely deliver if they get a hold of something that you're definitely looking for, you know. But you gotta call them back, though. You can't just say, you know what, I'm sorry, this and this, or not even call them back and to say whether you want to pick them up or not. So yeah, I picked him up. I can't believe I finally got him, and I can't wait to unbox him for you guys. If you're new to the channel, thank you for checking the video out. I really appreciate it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, share the video, and if you are a return supporter, I just want to say thank you so much. I appreciate it. So without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. Alright guys, let's take a look at the box real quick. We have Han Solo, Star Wars, MMS261, right there, Han Solo. Movie masterpiece, Hot Toys. You've seen those before. More of the same information on the side, and we've seen all the box is pretty beat up, I guess. It's showing some shelf wear, but I'm more interested on what's inside the box. So long as it's not ripped or dented, I'm all good with it. So let's get this bad boy opened up. Man, always with the best or better. Photo or picture on the inside as soon as you open it. Right? Between the two, this one definitely. Man, it looks so good. There it is, guys. The traditional clamshell. Looks like we got 2 levels. Top there. Normally we get a little tray here for the accessories of the hands. We don't have that. There go the instruction. Right off the bat, it says somewhere that please read the instructions and follow all instructions, details during the assemble process. So I'm definitely gonna do that. But at this point, I'll get all the accessories out and we'll take a closer look with everything he comes with. And there it is, guys, all the accessories that Han Solo came with. Let's look at the pair of hands. He came with a few. Looks like he came with a pair of glove relax hands. But let's look at the paint app on that glove, man. It looks really, really good. The stitching, the texture, it looks in person, it looks like a real glove. But it came with a pair of relaxed hands. He came with a pair of partially clenched hands, left and right. Again, paint app and the stitching, and it looks really, really good, guys. As you can see. He also came with a glove pistol hand, right hand. And with that, it came with a glove left to support the pistol. So trigger and support for the pistol. And he also came with a pair without the glove of the pistol and the support for the pistol hand, left hand. Man, it looks good. And he also came with his blaster. Look at that blaster, guys. That look amazing. This is my very first Han Solo 6 scale figure, so I'm just amazed on the detail of this pistol. The silver, the black. You can see there's a little bit of silver showing up there from, battle damage. It looks really, really good. Even the grip, the brown paint on the grip looks really good as well. He also came with a Droid Collar or communicator. There you go. Looks cool. It's hollow. Looks like something goes in there, but maybe not. He also came with some extra ball joints, which is epic. You already know that they can break. They're not extremely, indestructible, so it's always nice to see him to get some extra ones. And he came with a hair sculpture that you need to place. Remove the one that's already on the figure to put this on. So you can see there's where the headset would go. Here's the headset. So it would just sit on the hairpiece like that. Hopefully it doesn't break easily. There we go. Just like so. Let's look at the detail on the headset. Looks amazing. I wonder if this attached to anything. I guess we'll see. Looks good. He came with a stand. Star Wars, Han Solo. I'm slow there. There's no footprints or molded foot on the stand. I hate those. This looks better. A little bit texture there. You can see the silver, just to give it a metal grade effect. Here you go. And of course, we get the claw stand right here. And right on the beginning, we saw that they specifically wanted us to read the manual, and they really show you exactly how to put everything or place everything, even how to fix the collar. Looks like there's wiring on his collar there, but we'll see when you get him out. Even on how to tilt the head so that we don't damage the paint sculpt. It's crazy. That belt is probably the one that came with a deluxe, so I don't have that. I just have the regular Han. I didn't get the Chewie and Han combo. A lot of people say that they don't like that Chewie. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think of that Chewie? I don't have a Chewie, so I don't mind grabbing a New Hope Chewie. But as you already know, Chewie is really, really expensive. So maybe they'll do it in a reissue, and I'll be grabbing me a Chewie for sure. So at this time, let's get Han Solo himself out here so we can take a closer look of all the details. I waited to remove the plastic, you guys, so you guys can see how he came packaged out of the box. Let's get the hand packaging out. There you go. Sometimes I get carried away with the plastic, but you know, I'm not going to complain because I appreciate it. Kind of damn so that they don't get damaged in the box. But sometimes they can get to you a little bit. Comes the belt. Here we go. Get that out of the way. Guys, look at him. Han Solo? Really? Man. He looks good, guys. I mean, I don't even need to talk. We just need to look at him. They even got the scar right there in the chin. Little 5 o'clock shadow right there. Man. The pores on his skin. The paint app on the eyes is insane. The hair looks really, really good. Look at his color. I know this is wired according to the manual. Maybe right there. Yeah, it is. Look at the vest. The stitching on the vest looks really, really good. As you guys can see. Man, look at that. Little padding back there. Feel it ready. No padding underneath or on the chest. Let's take a look at that belt and the details. I already know that's where the droid communicator or collar goes. You probably just pop that off and you put the droid communicator on. There you go. Awesome. Look at the belt and all that. I wonder if they move. No. They're glued right in. Belt really is a belt. It goes. You can really take that off if you want to. Let's look at the holes all around. The detail, the stitching, the color, the paint app, the silver on the buckle in the front and on the back. I know that they clip in real life, but just the details that they put on the belt and on the pants is amazing. Let's look at the holster. Same color, same paint app, same everything as the belt, obviously. It's meant to be a one piece. Look at his pants and a stripe. Looks like they're I don't know if they're paint on there or a decal or a vinyl decal, or I can't tell. But the stitching on the pants looks really, really good. It goes with the boots. Amazing. And we'll get the Hot Toys Ltd on one side and Lucasfilm on the other side. Looks like this figure was made in 2015. For being 6 years old, this thing looks absolutely amazing, guys. I'm sure the joint will be a little bit stiff, being not old. You can already tell that this side is a little stiff. You have to be careful, but it's double jointed. You can lean back really, really good. But that much, this much. They tell you if you want to tilt the head, make sure you look up and then tilt the head left to right. Never tilt forward because they said that you can damage the paint app. The knees, beautiful. I don't see any padding in there. Looks really, really good. What do you guys think, guys? I think he looks amazing. Let's get him in a pose, and I'll give you guys my final thought of this Han Solo. Alright guys, before we get to the final clip, I just wanted to show you guys how to remove the hair. You just pretty much fold it up. Looks like it's magnetized up there. And that's when you slap this piece down. And there you go, guys. I don't know if I'm going to pose him that way. Probably not. We'll definitely pose him without that. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. I absolutely love this figure. The likeness of Harrison Ford. I think Hot Toys nailed it out of the park. The detail on the holsters, the belt, the vest, the shirt, the pants, it's especially the gloved set of hands are my favorite. If there's anything I'm not liking so much, is his boots. As you can see, that it seems like it's a little too big, little bunches back there. But other than that, it is what it is. It seems like Hot Toys gets a little bit of hard time when it comes to the boots, even nowadays. I know this figure is 6 years old now, but still, we still see the same issues that seems like Hot Toys is still trying to get down. But other than that, I give him a solid a 9. Love the figure. Definitely something you need to have in your collection. So if you don't have them yet, keep an eye out. Call those local comic store, toy store around you. You never know when something like this might turn up. I'm so glad that I got that call to let me know that they have a Han Solo for sale. So guys, once again, thank you for watching. This is your boy Flip, and like always, I'll see you on the flip side.